Yeah, I got some evil ways. Even through the glasses, you can see the gaze. To find your way up to the top, the shit gon' be a maze. Volkswagen shit, the way I'm running.
Good morning from Miami. I am here for a very loaded business trip this week. I have things planned pretty much every day from morning until night. Super loaded. It's gonna be a crazy weekend. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we got going on.
I have my professional videographer here, and he's flying his new drone, and we are currently here in Biscayne, and we flew the drone all the way out to Miami Beach over there, where you can see those buildings are, and it was super awesome. We got the shots, but it's headed back right now, and the drone is in like critical low battery almost, and it's still about 10,000 feet away.
It's gonna take 4 minutes to get back, and we have
Springs and y'all in February. It's getting hard to put a price on a show. Can't even pick an amount now. If a nigga really try to jam me, get jammed first like the countdown. I thank God for that flight straight from the 9 side going southbound. They say that life's about balance, baby, and the balance is in my account.
It may look all fun and games, but for every hour of fun we have
an hour of work.
Let's go.
Good morning from another Miami day. It's about 7:30 a.m. right now. We're hitting another patio work session. Really wish I had a coffee right now, but I have a very limited amount of time because we have a very busy day coming up today.
Look in my eyes, tell me your tale, then you see the road. I'm out to my soul, and tell me the size whenever the smoke clear out of my face and my picture perfect. Do I look fine?
I said this morning that we were gonna have a pretty busy day today. That actually changed gears pretty fast once we left Miami, headed towards Lauderdale. We were planning to shoot a promotional video for a water park this morning. We had the GoPros, drones, 360 cameras, everything was ready, but then it started pouring rain and they canceled on us and pushed to tomorrow. So we ended up hanging out in Fort Lauderdale. Actually met out with some clients we had out here, and now we're gonna get ready for our next part of the day, which we are super excited for. Actually, the reason why we had the trip this week, so see where that takes us.
I've been blowing through the money like it growing trees. I've been on a French, c'est la vie. I just put them on a jet, now they all Italian. Way I'm dressed until I've been to $1,000. This lie about getting shots, but she's still a stallion. She don't even get the joke, but she's still smiling. Every night, late night, like I'm Jimmy Fallon. Crows shoot from anywhere, like you Ray Allen. Crody, turn me up. Crody, turn me up.
be ready to fail as much as possible, but realize that failure is actually what makes you successful, because the more times you fail, the more times you learn, you build an empire.
Drop it downstairs, better hurry up. Savage got a new, you wanna dirty up. Touchdown in NY, tear the Mercer up. Hey,
don't give up. Just don't give up.
Introduce me to it, yeah, it makes sense. Gotta put on the
You're gonna
team,
make
got a great bench.
mistakes regardless, so try to make them as fast as you can. I would make all the same mistakes that I've already made. I was trying to make them
two purse for all guys, and I never been the one to go apologize. Me, I'd rather hit them up one more time. Hey, known a girl for 6 months, dinner up at my place, but I got these diamonds on my.
The best part about running primarily online businesses is the fact that I have all my operations based in Toronto, but I'm in Miami right now and everything is fully being ran by my computer. So really setting up your business in a sense that you can have 100% location freedom is honestly the end goal for anyone, I would say. It's not to not work, but it's to have time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. It's not my words, but it's something I've lived by since I was probably 14, is like the goal of having location freedom and being able to say, okay, I want to go to Miami for the week, pick up my computer and be able to not have to ask anyone for permission, so to say, but just to be able to come here and fully keep running everything that's going on at home. Next up is another one of the main reasons we needed to come to Miami this week, and it's to see one of our clients that is a luxury water park resort located in between Miami and Fort Lauderdale. We're here for the day to basically shoot everything. We have GoPros, the drones, the 360 cameras, anything you can imagine. We're gonna hit up the whole slides and really just drill the marketing out of this place. It's gonna be awesome.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a role that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. Yeah, I got one Virgil, got one, and that there is the only two, man. How many times have I shown and proved, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to f*** up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul.